guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an intro using Canva. So let's start. So the first thing you're going to have to do is just type in Canva. So here, let's just type in Canva and then press on this thing and then press on the first link like that. Excellent. So then if you're not signed up, then you just have to sign up, but I'm already signed up, so I just log in. Excellent. And then so because you're making an intro, you would like to go to search and just type in YouTube intro, like I'm showing you right now. Just type in YouTube intro and then it should be the first one on the suggested. So this one, you just press it, and as you see, there are lots of different examples and like different things you can choose from. So yeah, there are a lot of things like examples, intro examples. I really like this one especially, but as you see, there's lots that you can choose from to create with. But because I'm going to be showing you guys how to make one from scratch, we're going to use this. So here it is. Okay, so to make the background, we're going to be using some aesthetic blush background, something like that. So aesthetic backgrounds. So then we just press on images. What we want to do is just find a picture that we can use as a background for the intro. So I really like this one. So I'm just going to look for one and I'll be right back when I find one. Okay, so I decided to go with this background. So what we want to do is just download the picture, or you can as well just screenshot it. So I'm just going to screenshot it because I just find that a lot easier. So I'm just going to do that. So then you just want to go back to Canva and add the background that you had just screenshotted or downloaded. So as you see, here it is. So I'm just going to adjust it to the perfect size. I'll be right back with you guys.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing you know.
Okay, so now I'm just going to add like words, adjust it. So I'm just going to quickly go through it all, and then yeah, you can just follow the steps that I do. So you can add a bit of blur and stuff like that. So yeah.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing you know sweet. The taste still drive me crazy. My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind. Boy, you're the top of my list. I'm falling head over toes. How you feel deep inside.
finished with both of your intros, what you want to do is just download both files, both pages of the intro that you did, and then just wait them to download. After that, go to any software that you use to edit. I use Video. You can also use Video for free. You can use any other things like softwares that you can use for free. But we're gonna use Video in my video because that's what I use to edit my videos usually. So what you wanna do is just go to any software that you use. So as you see, I'm gonna wait a bit. So there. So after you can just go to import, and then press on import, and then you can browse to select. You can select the intro that you have just done. So after you have selected it, just wait for it to pop up on your main screen, and then it should be there. So my intro is right here. So then just add it to your thing where you edit. I'm not really sure what it's called, but yeah. So as you see, the whole video is right here. So you can just keep it and save it. So as you see, I'm just gonna play it. So it looks pretty nice, I'll say, in my opinion, but you can use any other intros you want. So then it's basically like that. It's like a video. So then if you want to add any music or anything like that, you can go onto the audio that they have on the software, or you can use any sounds. You can also import your own music. So as you see, I can just add this thing and it'll just collapse right into the hello thing. So that's another example just so you see how it works. So yeah, you can use any sounds as well with it. So I think it's really nice. Okay guys, so that is the end for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and I hope I helped you in any way. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!